Whew. I am tired. I walked so much yesterday and my calves hurt so bad. Oh. I still really want to go see the natural pool today. I don't really know what mode of transportation I'm going to use to get there. I'm going to go downstairs and get breakfast and just do some research and see if I can even get there on an ATV or if I have to hike in, which the thought of hiking is daunting because my calves are really sore, but I just took some medicine and I'm hoping that'll kind of help with the soreness. But it's my last day. I'm really sad, but I'm ready to get back home. This has been an amazing, amazing trip, and I just want to make this last day the best day yet. So, but first breakfast. Buddies. Hi, buddy. Hi, friends. Hello.
Well, I officially just filled up all of my GoPro memory, which means I'm gonna have a lot to edit when I get back. I got so many stairs. My calves are still so sore. I wanted to stop at this place like when I first got here and just ended up not ever making it over. And it's so freaking cool. I just ran into a photographer for Aruba Birdlife Conservation, and we sat and watched hummingbirds together. And it turns out that males are very territorial because females, when they come to mate, they hit it and quit it. So males got to be super opportunistic with if they want to mate. And yeah, we saw like two fighting over territory. It's pretty cool. And that's like one of my favorite things about traveling. I love just coming and talking to locals and learning about the country, and I don't know, just learning in general.